Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter dosa at home. First, ensure your dosa batter is perfectly fermented. This is key for a crispy texture. The batter should be smooth and flow easily, not too thick or thin. A small amount of salt mixed in will bring out all the delicious flavors. We'll cover everything from preparing the griddle to serving this delightful South Indian dish. Next, let's prepare our griddle. A well-seasoned cast iron pan or a good non-stick griddle works best. Heat it over a medium flame until it's quite hot. You can test the heat by sprinkling a few drops of water. They should sizzle and evaporate quickly. Lightly grease the surface with a little oil or even half an onion for a natural non-stick effect. This step is crucial for preventing sticking. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, imagine reading your favorite cookbook recipes anywhere, even in the kitchen, without glare. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy. Check the description below for the link to the Kindle and other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part, spreading the dosa. Pour 1 ladle of batter directly onto the center of your hot griddle. Using the back of the ladle, quickly spread the batter outwards in a spiral motion to form a thin, even circle. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of butter or ghee around the edges and over the top. Cook until the bottom turns golden brown and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your dosa is beautifully golden and crispy on the bottom, it's time for the butter. Take a generous dollop of soft, unsalted butter and spread it evenly over the cooked surface. The heat will melt it perfectly. You can then fold the dosa in half or roll it into a cylinder. Serve your delicious butter dosa immediately with your favorite coconut chutney and sambar for a truly authentic experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.